Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Informative English with Sana. Today, we're diving into the essential vocabulary you need for everyday life, bathroom items in English. From toothbrushes to towels, we'll cover all the common items you find in your bathroom and teach you how to pronounce and use them in sentences. Whether you're learning English as a new language or just brushing up on your vocab, this video will help you feel more confident and prepared. Let's get started. Towel. Towel. Soap. Soap. Shampoo. Shampoo. Conditioner. Conditioner. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Mouthwash. Mouthwash. Razor. Razor. Shaving cream. Shaving cream. Hairbrush. Hairbrush. Comb. Comb. Hairdryer. Hairdryer. Bathroom scale. Bathroom scale. Bath mat. Bath mat. Shower curtain. Shower curtain. Bathrobe. Bathrobe. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. Toilet brush. Toilet brush. Plunger. Plunger. Trash can. Trash can. Air freshener. Air freshener. Hand soap. Hand soap. Body wash. Body wash. Loofah. Loofah. Bath sponge. Bath sponge. Shower gel. Shower gel. Face wash. Face wash. Moisturizer. Moisturizer. Deodorant. Deodorant. Hair gel. Hair gel. Hairspray. Hairspray. Cotton balls. Cotton balls. Cotton swabs. Cotton swabs. Q-tips. Q-tips. Tweezers. Tweezers. Nail clipper. Nail clipper. Nail file. Nail file. Makeup remover. Makeup remover. Shower cap. Shower cap. Bath salts. Bath salts. Epsom salt. Epsom salt. Bath oil. Bath oil. Bath bomb. Bath bomb. Razor blade. Razor blade. Toilet cleaner. Toilet cleaner. Toilet seat cover. Toilet seat cover. Faucet. Faucet. Sink. Sink. Bathtub. Bathtub. Shower head. Shower head. Shower stall. Shower stall. Mirror. Mirror. Medicine cabinet. Medicine cabinet. Towel rack. Towel rack. Soap dish. Soap dish. Toothbrush holder. Toothbrush holder. Tumbler. Tumbler. Bathroom shelf. Bathroom shelf. Exhaust fan. Exhaust fan. Light fixture. Light fixture. Wall hook. Wall hook. Shower rod. Shower rod. Toilet plunger. Toilet plunger. Water heater. Water heater. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you found this video helpful and now feel more comfortable talking about bathroom items in English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun and educational content. Leave a comment below with any other topics you'd like to learn about. See you in the next video.